Hello, and welcome to the Broadview Public Library District's online tutor.com walkthrough. We are going to briefly show you another one of our databases that you can access free with your Broadview Public Library card, which is tutor.com. Tutor.com is a wonderful, fantastic database. They have a lot to offer, and we are going to show you a little bit about what you can do with tutor.com with your Broadview Public Library card. All right, so to access tutor.com through the Broadview Public Library with your card, you would go to the Broadview Public Library page, which is broadviewlibrary.org. Type that in your URL box and the web page will pop up, and on the right hand side where it says digital resources here, you will click that. And the digital resources are in alphabetical order, the databases. So we are going to scroll down until we see tutor.com, second to last from the bottom. So tutor.com says it connects students K through 12, adult learners and job seekers with online tutors for live one-on-one help in math, science, English, social studies, GED prep, career help, resume writing. Tutors are available from 2 to 9 p.m., 7 days a week. And it does say your Broadview library card is needed to connect to this service. There are other libraries probably offer this service, and you would need a library card unique to your library to access it through that library's website. But if you are a Broadview resident and you have a Broadview Public Library District library card, you can access tutor.com free through our website. So I'm going to click on tutor.com, and it is going to steer me away from our website, and it's going to take me to tutor.com. You see the tutor.com logo, and you see the Broadview Public Library District's logo. And it's going to ask you to enter your library card number to access it. So I'm going to enter a library card number, possibly. There we go, 21314 2056. Okay, so I've entered the library card number, hit submit. And voila, we are in tutor.com now. I don't know the benefits of creating an account. I've never had to create one. Possibly if you are starting a lesson maybe or getting help, it'll save your progress. But again, I've never done that part of it. And we technically are signed in. So let me just click on this and see what it says. So yeah, if you want to create a username and a password, I guess to get back in so that whatever progress that you're doing, if you're doing a lesson or it might just pick up where you left off, or you can see kind of like a history of what you've done. If you create an account, I'm thinking that's the benefit of creating an account. We're not going to do that today. We're just going to give you a brief overview of tutor.com. So we're going to click take the tour. I don't think I want to do that. You can submit a paper for review. And you can drop off a math question. It says you can click to upload a math question and receive a step-by-step solution in under 24 hours. You can take a practice quiz in your subject. And you could prep for classes. So I remember doing, when I was in high school, many, many years ago, doing the ACT prep. And I don't even know how much my mom paid for those classes. But this would have been a great tool to use for a prep test that I didn't have to pay. I don't know how much my mom paid for those ACT classes, but I'm sure she would have appreciated this where she didn't have to pay all that money for me to take the ACT prep course and to get, I don't even remember what my score was on the ACT or, but yeah, I mean, I got into college, so I guess the classes weren't a complete waste of time. So this is the tutor.com website. So if you go to tutor.com website, before you log on, if you just want to know what tutor.com has to offer before you decide to commit to anything on tutor.com, you can go to the website. You can see the tutors, and you can see the subjects that they teach. And you can kind of get a little bit of background information about the tutors. So even though you might not be able to see them you kind of get an idea of who you're talking to with these tutors. So I'm going to click show more. And yeah, so you can see that on tutor.com, which is a great feature. You can also view student testimonials, but we can also view all the subjects that they have. So tutor.com has, it says, more than 250 subjects spanning from kindergarten to college, and adult learners and job seekers. And once we go back to the Broadview Library's website, we can kind of pick a subject and see what they have to offer. But this is just an overview if you're interested. If you see something you need help in, you can go here and see if tutor.com has a tutor for your specific subject that you need help in, or that you want to learn more about, or it has career support. If you want to upload a resume, get help with the cover letter. It has online job application assistance, resumes live and drop off, interview prep and practice, which this feature might be so critical, um, especially at this time where people are preparing to get jobs, or might need new jobs. This feature for tutor.com is a really good feature. It can help you and save you a lot of time and get help with just the online job assistance, because everything now seems to be virtual. You have to go in, create an account to apply for a job, it seems like. So it can help you with your resume, cover letter. Um, Interviews could be virtual. It can help you with interview prep and practice, and give you other sources of career information. So this is a really good tool if you're a job seeker and you need help, or you just want to kind of brush up on some skills, or get a second opinion, or get advice, or have someone look over your resume, have someone look over your cover letter, just so you're prepared and you feel confident going into your new career. All right, so we're going to go back to the Broadview Library's website, tutor.com, through the Broadview Public Library's website. And it says choose below to get started. So if you want to get homework help, if you want to connect with the tutor, you want to drop off a math question, or if you just want to explore online resources, um, write a paper, you could connect with the tutor. You could have already written a paper and drop it off for review, which is also a good feature. I've used that before. It's really helpful. Sometimes finding someone to proofread your work can be really hard, and getting positive, critical feedback about what you need to improve, grammatical help and things like that. So that's a really good, tutor.com is a really good tool if you're writing a research paper, or whatever type of paper, and you want feedback, and you want help fine tuning a draft. This is a really good resource, and you can search for writing tips. You can practice skills, connect with a tutor, you take a practice quiz, or you can search for worksheets that'll help you um, with skills that you might want to practice. So you can just click on a multitude of resources and go through it, and they give you math drills and geometry worksheets, and different things, flashcards. We don't have any content in flashcards. Okay. All right, we're gonna go back. Prepare for a test. Again, connect with a tutor. Prep for an SAT or ACT, or prep for grad tests. Prep for an advanced placement test. Click on more subjects available to see all. You can get help finding a job. Again, connect with the career coach, drop off a resume. You can search online job resources, give you different websites to search jobs and job resources if you're looking. And again, you can access your account. So if you have created an account, or if you want to create an account, I think this is a place where you can keep track of everything that you've done on tutor.com, and you can go here and access all your account information, and just kind of keep track of what you've done, if you choose to create an account with tutor.com. So we've already taken a tour of tutor.com, and it is, like I said, a really good resource. It has a lot of sources, and you can log in with your Broadview library card, and you can just explore. Like I said, you can do homework help. You can write a paper, practice skills. There's a multitude of things you can do. You can search for online resources and use tutor.com that way. But again, it's a great resource. It is a free resource with your Broadview Public Library card. And if at any time you have any questions about tutor.com, you can always give us a call here at the Broadview Public Library District at 708-345-1325, extension 18, which is the reference extension. And we will be happy to answer any questions. We'll be happy to, again, guide you to tutor.com. And I'm not sure if tutor.com has an app where you could download on a tablet or device. I'm not sure if they do. I'll have to look into that. But again, if you do have a device, iOS or Android, you can always still connect with tutor.com through the Broadview Public Library website. You can just go to the website on your iOS or Android device, do the digital resources as we did. I'll go back to the Broadview Public Library website just to show you. You could, access this from your tablet, a smartphone, and just go to the website, do digital resources. And again, and it should take you exactly where we ended up the first time on a device, a tablet or smartphone. I'm using a desktop computer and on here. Oh. So yeah, it's a really good resource. Oh yeah, it is. So here it says get the app. So tutor.com to go is a free mobile companion for tutor.com. And it looks like you can download the tutor.com to go for Android, tutor.com to go for iPad, iPhone, and an iPod Touch. Okay. So yeah, if you have any questions about tutor.com or any of our databases for that matter, um, by all means, give us a call here at the Broadview Public Library District, 708-345-1325, extension 1H or just ask for reference, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have about tutor.com here at the Broadview Public Library District. Thank you so much for watching this brief video about tutor.com. And we hope, as a Broadview resident, you'll log in and take advantage of all our free databases. We have some really good databases. If you're watching this and you're interested in a database and you want to know more about it, also give us a call. We can help you with that. So yeah, we have media on demand, different databases that we'll be doing different tutorials on for our patrons to help you get started using these free resources at the Broadview Public Library District. All right. Thank you all for watching this video and enjoy our databases.